Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, What's by Kavi, where we turn creativity to something beautiful. Today I'm so excited to show you how to create stunning hand embroidery designs and transform them into a gorgeous dress. Okay, these are the materials needed for this dress and I'll be listing this in description box. So for this dress I'm choosing this cotton fabric and this is the design I'm going to trace it out for the embroidery. So as you see, I used white carbon sheet to transfer the embroidery design into the fabric. So I have chosen pink color and green color for this floral motif. The needle I'm using for doing the embroidery, this is of number 10 and I'm using 6 strands of thread for leaf and stem. I'm starting with the stem stitch here. So first you need to pull out the thread from the bottom of the fabric and make a stitch. So this stitch is like 2 times of a single stitch. So the next stitch will come in the center of the first stitch. So you start from the center, just center of the first stitch, and you will continue the same process for the stem. So after finishing the stem, you will be doing the base of the flower. It will be quite looking like a triangle. So I'm going to make a triangle shaped base there. Same like a stem stitch, you will be filling the triangle in whatever form you can, which is easy for you. You can follow that. Now we'll make a little flower. So this I'm doing it with a chain stitch. First you need to pull the thread out from the bottom and make a loop by inserting the needle in the same place where you pulled out your thread before. So just decide your length of the chain, then make a loop. This is the chain stitch. Continue the same chain stitch for the other 4 petals also, so it will be like 5 petals for each flower. So I'll do the same pattern for all the flowers and stem. Now we are going to make a little leaf kind of embroidery where you will be doing a simple straight stitch, like 3 or 4 straight stitches, which looks like a leaf. So here is the complete look of our embroidery. I have also added some of the golden beads to give it a complete look. So yeah, this is the neck design which I have decided to give it for my frock. You can see this. I have finished the bodice part. Now I'm attaching the skirt part for checking the look of my frock with this dress form. And here is the complete look of my frock. Just see the flowiness of this frock and the embroidery which looks so pretty on the dress.